We never really grow up. We only learn how to act in public. What we believe is heavily influenced by what we think others believe. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Money and success don't change people. They merely amplify what is already there. Not how long, but how well you have lived is the main thing. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do and then do it. If life were predictable, it would cease to be life and be without flavor. Sing like no one is listening. Love like you have never been hurt. Dance like nobody's watching. And live like it's heaven on earth. Do all the good you can for all the people you can, in all the ways you can, as long as you can. Life imposes things on you that you can't control, but you still have the choice of how you are going to live through this. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny. Life is like a coin. You can spend it any way you wish, but you only spent it once. In 3 words, I can sum up everything I have learned about life. It goes on. Thank you for watching.